All right, we're doing a waste and overflow today in a really crusty, disgusting, rat-infested crawl space. You got two types of waste and overflows. You have the one that's fully ABS, and then you have the waste and overflow that's tubular, which this one's Gerber. And this tubular, this is really thick. If you're familiar with tubular, like that stuff right there, super thin walled. You know, if you try to use snap cutters on it, it just bends it and it'll crack it. This you could use snap cutters on it and it's not going to bend it. This is really hard, much thicker tubular. But this is I think I got this off of Supply House. This is a really nice waste and overflow, and I kind of want to use it because I've had it in here for so long. I kind of want to just get rid of it, get a new one, I guess. But when you go this route, you still have to adapt to ABS because it only comes with the overflow and then the waste. So then I have to adapt to this side with ABS with a trap adapter or something. Or you could use a no-hub band, which I'd probably use a tubular by 1.5" no-hub band. What's up, fool? What up, dog? What's up, Banana Republic? Alright, so one of the reasons we're doing this is because this is broken. It's super clogged, and they're gonna reglaze this whole thing. So, that's, you know what? I'm not even gonna try.
What if you break the tub?
Well, yeah, it will. It always does. Well, not always, but. So, we'll use the spiral end. You want to try it? Put this guy on 3. Then you just put that. Oh, that's wonderful. So this is one of the tub shoes that are too wide to fit this. Without breaking this first, sometimes you have to break the little thing in there to get that to go in. But sometimes it takes it right out. So you want to try it?
Yeah.
So see, you got to get the
That's what I figure, so that it grabs and then
There you go.
leverage, dog, leverage.
And just pull the trigger and send it.
Smack the bitch back. Okay, that's good.
It broke it already.
Wow, this is
Now pull that up. Yeah. And then let's see if it. Yeah. No.
It has to go backwards?
Well, it has to go counterclockwise.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to get the other one. Sometimes.
Oh no.
No, it's cool.
Okay.
Sometimes it's just.
It's not the tool, is it?
Most of the time it is, but there's another one. So you got this tool. I've had this tool for years. I've never used it.
Oh, that's torque. Let me see it.
No, it's a inside. You can use that, but
Yeah, but I'm saying like with your hand, right?
what the heck did I do with the frickin' with the tool? Oh, so this is the one. If the other one doesn't work, this one.
Oh, it opens as you spin it.
Yeah,
Oh, that's tight.
Let's try that. I've had that tool.
Can I?
Yeah, try it. Go for it.
But man, face this bitch.
I think you gotta spin it the other way.
This one?
Yeah.
No, buddy. It's not grabbing onto anything.
No?
No. Is it backwards? Can this be switched? Like,
I don't know. I've never used it.
I think you can.
I've had that thing for so long, and
Today's the day. Here's the thing, though. I don't know how to take it off. Just go top.
I would see videos online of someone using a tool or something, and I would just buy it just because I was like, oh, that's cool. I'll use that eventually, and I've never used that thing.
Okay, it does come off. Okay. Because this size thicker, bro. Okay, I'm gonna open it and you place it in, yeah?
Yeah.
From the top. No, like the part.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah.
Watch your fingies.
It's fucking pinching me. Alright. There it is.
Now the next issue is trying to get leverage on that sucker.
Ah, my. Oh,
You just hurt your knuckles. Watch your fingers, dog. You don't want to.
Ah, yeah, no, this ain't gonna happen.
Here, pull that out and take this.
Oh, you gotta be a beast to use this shit.
Well, even if you are a beast, these things are rusted in, dog. You all right?
Yeah.
So look, no. Put that in there first.
Put this in here.
Yeah. Now take the
Oh.
and smack it in there. Don't go hard. Just tap it around all the sides. All right. Now let's take this guy. You got to put there you go. But I think you're tightening it there because it needs to go
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, give me the impact. Get that out of your way. You might want to. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
So I'm going this way, right?
This way.
Okay.
There you go.
It's
Here.
not all the way in.
Take that out.
So tap it good.
That does not want to stay in at all. We may have to cut it out. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Should be good, right? Now we should lift it.
What's that?
Is it screwed on? Is this a screw on thing?
Yeah, it's threaded. Yeah, it's like this right here. I used that tool for years before ever buying that other Tool Sections one. I think I got that at Home Depot.
This here?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Whoops.
It's a good.
Some of the stuff at Home Depot is legit, but
It's
not,
good.
not all of it.
Well, the chain.
All right.
Yeah,
This is the creepiest, most disgusting.
Oh, I love the smell of rat.
There are rats like crazy in here.
You can smell them.
Yeah, you can't you? That's why I wear a mask in here, dog. Alright, I think. So let's see, the waste and overflow. So we're beneath that dude's unit.
Look for 2 inch.
So I think his waste and overflow.
Right, look at that 2 inch right there.
Where?
Left it. Or is that one and a half, whatever?
Is that it right there?
Yeah, I think so. Well, look, that's the P trap for the toilet, right?
Look at this. creepy chair, dude, with all the rat poop in it.
You can smell them though.
That's gotta be it, right?
So that's gotta be the tub, and this right here
Yep,
is a...
that's us right there.
Oh my god. What am I doing?
Okay. I thought I was gonna have to go in the crawl space, but that's
Yeah, me
good.
too.
I don't know what this duct tape nonsense right here is, but what the heck is that? I mean, it's a vent, but I don't know why they're duct taping it right there. All right, well, this makes that a little easier.
Where's the toilet? It would be...
Right here, fool.
Oh, thank you. This is the sink. Why does it go that way? To connect to something else?
That's gonna be his lavatory sink, most likely. Or no, you know what that is? That's probably a clean out. I'm almost positive that's a clean out. I can't believe none of this is leaking, to be honest with you.
You wanted it to leak?
Of course. The more leaks, the better.
Yeah.
It's more work, fool.
Job securement.
You feel me? Alright, well, this is kind of awesome news that I don't have to go into the freaking crawl space.
Okay, look. Just go upstairs for a little bit. Let me boil the hammer in the thing and the screwdriver and come back and start the video over. We did all this without a tape measure. Just years of experience. And I can hear the comments, you took out an old brass Gerber, wasting overflow and put in a plastic. I can hear the comments already. Yeah, first of all, the brass one was crusty as can be. And the owners wanted to put in a new one because they're going to reglaze that tub. And they just wanted to do all new. So there you go. Well, the
No leaks.